Hello everyone. Today we will see 15 lines essay on rainy season. So let's start with the video. First point is the rainy season starts in the month of June and lasts till September. Second point, rainy season has very pleasant weather and rain showers. Third point, plants and trees look very green in this season. Fourth, dark clouds, lightning, and rainbows can be seen very often during rainy season. Fifth, rainy season helps farmers by providing water for agriculture. Sixth point, various kind of flowers, fruits, and vegetables grow in this season. Seventh, rainy season is the favorite season of many people. 8 point, rainy season brings joy to the agriculture driven economies around the world. Ninth, excess rainfall can sometimes bring floods which are harmful. 10th, with the arrival of rainy season there is greenery and joy everywhere and the crops wave with the breeze. 11th point, lakes, rivers, wells get filled with water. Small children love to play in the rainwater. 13th, people use umbrellas and raincoats for protection from rain. 14th point, peacocks spread their feathers and frogs croak to celebrate the rain. 15th point, rainy season is boon for life on earth. So that was about rainy season. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.